Hi everyone, this is Dr. Stefan. In this video, I'd like to just reflect a little bit on something that I was thinking about these days. And a lot of people are worried. If you look online on social media and like all the trends that are going on, people think that artificial intelligence and machine learning and all these algorithms will replace your doctor, your nurse in some capacity in the future. And while I do think that that's true to some extent, and maybe a bit scary, at the same time, I think there is something that will never be replaced, and that is human connection. Human connection cannot be replaced by a machine. And I think all of us who have spent some time alone at home, maybe with our computers, doing a project, doing some work, not being able to see people, being a little bit lonely, will attest to the fact that no matter how much information you have, how correct the information is probably not going to beat the human connection that you get. The interaction, the direct feedback from another person who thinks imperfectly, just like you are, just like I am. So sometimes we are biased. We have our little biases, our little colorful personalities that are interjected there, and there are unique personalities. And just dealing with another person who is unique in that way, who is not a computer, does not respond predictably, without even if the algorithms that you see online can interject a little bit of randomness to make it seem like it's more human like, I don't think you will have that exact level of engagement with a machine or a computer compared to a human being. And that's why I think in medicine, the most satisfied patients that I've seen are the ones where we had an interaction. So between myself as a doctor and a patient, where we had an interaction that was not completely perfect. It was not the most 100%, let's say, professional interaction, purely professional, purely robotic interaction. It was those interactions where there was human emotion being exchanged. And I think this is where artificial intelligence, machine learning, all these things that are coming up and trendy and everyone's afraid that robots will rule the world, that's where we won't change. And I believe in that. I believe that humans will want to interact with other humans, even though these new technologies will help to some extent to prevent, for example, medical errors, and we can learn how to use these in the appropriate ways. The thing that will be missing, though, is the emotion. And yes, some people argue that you can build emotion into these algorithms, but will it be a fake emotion? And will we not know deep down in our hearts that we are dealing with a robot rather than a human being? That imperfection that each of us has is what makes us human. And I think that actually helps us drive progress. And to be honest, if we are too perfect, a little bit too perfect, we try to be too perfect, we never really get the best outcomes. So this is why I'm not completely afraid of the fact that we will have these technologies implemented in healthcare. And sure, they will help us deal with the boring day-to-day stuff, with generating text for letters and, some kinds of long emails. We can write all these things. We can use the algorithms to get probabilities for the most likely diagnosis in certain things. And these things will be extremely helpful. They will be great for the future. But I still think that many patients come and see a doctor not only for the professionalism and the right diagnosis. That is, of course, the main thing. And of course, you need to go to doctors who are competent and they can help you with things. But also, I believe you want to feel a bit of emotion from your doctor. And I've seen that with patients who see physicians who may be the best professionals, they have the highest credentials, but they cannot have a human interaction that is genuine. And that to me is the best thing, to not be fake. So if as a doctor, I always try to not be fake with my patients. Sometimes I can have bad days when it's really, really stressful and you cannot deal with all the things that are coming at you. And you may be a bit more snappy. You may be, you may have some regrets that you could have handled situations better. I'm telling you this as a general, genuine perspective. I think from the patient side, it may be the same. Sometimes, you may feel that, well, I could have gotten more out of that consultation if I would have said things in a different way. And I think the fact that both doctors and patients reflect on these things are great. And this is something that maybe a machine cannot do. So anyway, this is just a little bit of a strange video, maybe, But I thought I'd share this. This is my thoughts on this topic and how we may or may not be replaced. I don't think humans will replace other humans with machines. But anyway, thank you. All the best. Good health.